So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take any sermon and convert it into a really awesome blog article. So if you are head of a church, if you do marketing for a church, this is a great way to repurpose all of the sermons that you're probably already recording anyways every Sunday and repurpose them into a really awesome SEO optimized blog post that you can then put on your website to help promote your church and help spread your message. So let's dive in. The first thing you need is a sermon. I do not have any sermons of my own, so I'm going to just borrow one from Joel Osteen's YouTube channel. If your sermons are not on YouTube, that is totally okay. I will tell you what to do when if that's the case. But I'm going to copy the URL and then I'm going to head over to videotoblog.ai. This is what we're going to use to quickly convert the sermon into a really awesome blog post. Um, so I'm going to paste in the URL I copied right into this box. But again, if your sermons are not on YouTube, that's okay. You can just upload it, whether you have a video file or an audio file. You just click this button, upload it, and then everything else will be the same from here on out. So I'm going to paste in this URL. I'm going to click try for free. I already have an account. If you don't have an account, that's okay. Video to blog, we do a free one blog a month trial. So you can test it out, see if you like it completely for free. Um, but I'm going to click the button now. And now it's going to ask me a few questions. So it's going to say, hey, what kind of article do I want to create? In this case, we're going to stick with a companion article. This is what you choose if you are creating an article to go to go along with your own video. This other option, that's mainly for if you want to use this video as research and create an original article. But in this case, I'm going to pretend like this is my sermon and I want a blog post to go along with the video. It's going to ask me what kind of featured image I want. I think all blog articles need at least one image. I'm going to click AI generated. We'll see what that looks like. But there's also you can select a stock image that the AI will go pick out an image from Unsplash, or you can select the video thumbnail, which a lot of times is really good to do if you have a good thumbnail. I'm not going to add screenshots because this is just a video of someone talking on stage. Screenshots, I don't think are really relevant here. I am going to embed the video. I think that's a great option to give the readers the option to watch the video instead. Um, I would also consider doing external links. I'm not going to do it now, but if I knew that this video, if this sermon was quoting Bible phrases, I think that would be a great place to add external links. Um, but in this case, I'm just going to leave it blank. There are also a ton of other options that you can specify with writing preferences. If you know exactly what kind of style, what you want it to look like. If you have an example of a blog post you've written already and you want it to look similar to that in the same style or structure, you can upload a writing sample. Bunch of other options as well. But for this case, I'm just going to leave it simple. We'll leave it there and I'm just going to hit create blog post. And what you're going to see is usually in about 30 seconds, it's going to start generating that blog post. And then depending on how long the video is, usually takes, maybe 2 minutes in this case to completely generate. Um, but that said, although it's really quick, that said, I don't want to just sit here and talk on the video the whole time. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back once our blog post is done generating. All right, so our blog post is done generating. That only took about a couple minutes, like I mentioned. So let's scroll through it. So first thing we notice is the title. It pretty much used the title of the video, but then expanded upon it. We have an AI generated image. I think that looks pretty good, to be honest. But if you didn't like this for whatever reason, you can always regenerate it. You can put in your own prompt. Super quick. This uses Google's Nano Banana image generator behind the scenes. So it does some really great AI generated images. We've got some text. We've got the video in here. I think that's a great position. It's already adding quotes. I think that looks really good. Um, and as we scroll through, it seems, at first glance like a really good summary of the sermon. Um, so depending on what kind of format you want, what you want it to look like, you can go through, edit the blog post. You can edit everything in here just like you would a normal document editor. You can add any links you want. There's an AI editor. Lots of options in here to actually tweak and get the blog article just like you want it. Um, so that's typically what I would do. I would go through, edit it, and then the next step is to put it on your website. Before that, I would go and I would check the blog score. In this case, we're 91%. What that means is we've probably got everything other than links. Yeah, so that's the one thing it's complaining about. And again, we didn't explicitly add any links before, so that is expected. Everything else looks great as far as SEO is concerned. Um, and then when you go to put it on your website, it's actually really easy. So you just click export, and ton of different options that Video to Blog gives you. You can, first of all, you can just download it in HTML or Markdown, even a Word document or PDF, or even email friendly HTML. Or you can just export it directly to your website. There are a ton of integrations the Video to Blog supports, including WordPress.org. That's our most popular one, but also Blogger, Ghost, Wix, Shopify, a lot of other options as well. And so once you integrate, all you do is just click it once, and it will send and publish directly to your website, just like that. Um, so it really is that easy. The other thing I do want to mention is that Video to Blog, we have a way to do automations. So if you do have your videos, let's say on a YouTube channel, you can actually set up an automation to where these blog posts will automatically generate anytime a new video is released on your channel or another channel. So it makes all of this really easy. And you can even set it up just to generate and then publish straight to your website. So um, huge time saver there. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you. I hope you found this video useful. So thanks for watching.